This AI just built a full money-making website in under 60 seconds. No coding, no experience. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to take a design from Figma and turn it into a real animated website using AI. First, we start with a clean design. I'm using a simple homepage layout inspired by modern e-commerce, something that can actually make money. Inside Figma, you don't need anything crazy, just a hero section, a product or offer, and a call to action button. Keep it simple and clean. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We take this design and let AI turn it into a real website. I'm using an AI website builder to generate the full page. Watch this. It creates the layout, styling, and even animations automatically. It asks questions though. Let us skip all the questions. And just like that, we have a fully working website. Clean design, smooth animations, and ready to launch. You could use this for dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling your own product. You can also publish it here, and right now, we will skip that too. If you want more videos like this, showing how to use AI to make money online, subscribe and I'll keep dropping them.